Right folks, this is just a wee quick 5 minute video on knife law, UK, specifically Scotland. Now I'm not a police officer, I'm not a lawyer, but pretty much every knife in public, if it's not used for its intended use, is illegal. However, if you can show that you had a reasonable use for it, you can put up a defence. But I grabbed a handful of knives at the house there, and you can quickly tell me whether you think they're legal or illegal. Just to be careful when you're coming on and off a hill, going into the woods, bit of bushcraft, hill walking, whatever. It's pretty much okay to take knives from your house to your car, to the hill and back. You don't want to be stopping inside at Tesco with a knives hanging off your belt. You just don't want to do that. But anyway, I'll show you a wee selection of knives and you can tell me whether you think they're legal or illegal. First up, we've got the saw. Legal or illegal? Illegal. And we've got a wee fixed knife. Aura. Legal, illegal? Illegal. Shorter fixed knife Mora. Legal or illegal? Illegal. Gerber knife. Folding. Less than 3 inches. Legal or illegal? Now it locks. If a knife locks, doesn't matter what size it is, illegal. Multi-tool. Knife, less than 3 inches, not locking, legal. That can be legally carried in public or in your car. Swiss Army knife. Blade, less than 3 inches, not locking. Legal, can be carried on your person, in your car. Just a spoon, fork, knife, multi-tool. Probably a bit over 3 inches. Legal or illegal? Well, it's locking. It's locked. Locked knives count as fixed knives, so illegal. Finally, I use this for scaling fish. They look much like a knife. Double sided, just under 3 inches. Legal or illegal? Deadly illegal. 1, fixed knife. 2, concealed to look like something else. So, deadly illegal, totally legal. Both capable of quite good knife work. Legal, illegal. So that wraps up that, folks. Just to be aware of what various different types of knives you should be carrying and what you should say if you get caught out in the woods with them. My personal advice is some people like to keep them on their person. They're all about their rights and things like that. I personally prefer my knives at the bottom of my bag where they're not accessible. I think any reasonable policeman would be more likely to give you the benefit of the doubt that way, although you might get the odd one that would say they're concealed. It's just to be aware. Pop onto the gov.uk website and have a look up knife law. It's worth knowing.